Alright, let's dive into something that's equal parts mind-blowing and controversial. Scientists have used gene editing to create hypoallergenic dogs. Yes, you heard that right, hypoallergenic dogs. But before you start dreaming of cuddling with a pup without sneezing your head off, let's unpack this. Because, personally, I think this story is about way more than just allergy relief. It's a glimpse into the future of biotechnology, ethics, and our relationship with pets. Here's the hook. Matt Walker, a geneticist who couldn't pet a dog without sneezing, now has a beagle named Bailey that he can snuggle with, play fetch with, and even feed peanut butter to, all without a single sneeze. How? By using CRISPR, the Nobel Prize-winning gene editing tool, to switch off the gene responsible for producing the allergy-causing protein in her saliva and hair. What makes this really interesting is that this isn't just a lab experiment. It's a real-life solution for millions of people who love dogs but can't be around them. But here's where it gets complicated. First, let's talk about the science. CRISPR has been used before to reduce allergens in cats, but this is the first time it's been successfully applied to dogs. The researchers edited the genetic code in dog skin cells, transferred it into eggs, and voila, two hypoallergenic beagles, Bailey and her twin Alfie, were born. From my perspective, this is a huge leap forward. It's not just about making dogs safer for allergy sufferers, it's about the precision and potential of gene editing. If we can do this for dogs, what else is on the table? Designer pets. Disease-resistant animals. The possibilities are staggering. But here's the catch, it's not ready for prime time. Scientists still need to monitor the long-term health effects of these gene edits. One thing that immediately stands out is that the edited gene is the main, but not the only, cause of dog allergies. So, while Bailey and Alfie are allergy-free for Matt Walker, we don't know if they'd work for everyone. Dr. Jeff Sorrell, a pathologist, pointed out that broader testing is needed to see how effective this could be across different allergy sufferers. This raises a deeper question: how far are we willing to go to customize our pets, and at what cost? Now, let's talk about the ethical side, because this is where things get messy. Bioethicist Arthur Kaplan brought up a point that really stuck with me: if hypoallergenic dogs become common, will people stop adopting shelter animals? What many people don't realize is that shelters are already overflowing with dogs in need of homes. If you take a step back and think about it, this technology could inadvertently discourage adoption and exacerbate the problem of stray animals. It's a classic case of innovation outpacing our ability to handle its consequences. Another detail I find fascinating is that the gene edit made in Bailey and Alfie already occurs naturally in some dogs. So, in theory, it shouldn't have negative health effects. But here's the thing, we're still in uncharted territory. Gene editing is powerful, but it's not perfect. What this really suggests is that we need to proceed with caution. We're not just tinkering with genes, we're reshaping the future of pet ownership. Personally, I'm torn. On one hand, the idea of more people being able to enjoy the companionship of a dog without suffering from allergies is incredible. On the other hand, I can't shake the feeling that we're opening Pandora's box. What happens when this technology becomes commercialized? Will it be accessible only to the wealthy? Will it lead to a new era of designer pets, where animals are engineered to meet our every whim? These are questions we need to start asking now, not later. And let's not forget the emotional side of this story. Matt Walker's bond with Bailey is heartwarming. After a lifetime of allergies, he finally gets to experience the joy of having a dog. It's a reminder of why we pursue this kind of science, to improve lives. But it also highlights the responsibility that comes with it. We're not just creating hypoallergenic dogs, we're redefining what it means to be a pet owner in the 21st century. So, here's my closing thought: this breakthrough is both exciting and unsettling. It's a testament to human ingenuity, but it also forces us to confront some uncomfortable truths about our relationship with animals and technology. As we move forward, let's not just ask what we can do, but what we should do. Because, in the end, it's not just about creating allergy-free dogs, it's about creating a future where innovation serves both humans and animals in the best possible way. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.